Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your EVS class. And these days, as we are doing lesson 11, people who help us. We are already done with the reading and discussion of that chapter. Today, I will make you do question answers. So let's begin. Here I have written on the top, it's lesson 11. You need to follow the same pattern in your notebook as well. Firstly, you will write date on the top here, on the left hand side, and then write here classwork, and then here day, and then on the second line, in the second line you will start writing lesson 11. In the next line you will write people who help us, that is the chapter name, and in the next line you will write question answer. So here is question 1, and what is that question 1? Let me read it for you. What is an occupation? I repeat the question. What is an occupation? And the answer is, an occupation is the work people do to earn money. An occupation is the work people do to earn money. Earn money, पैसे कमाना. जो भी लोग काम करते हैं, कुछ भी ऐसा काम करते हैं जिससे उनको मनी मिलती है, दे अर्न मनी, उसे हम बोलते हैं उनका ऑक्यूपेशन. उन्हें उनका ऑक्यूपेशन बोला जाता है. लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 नाउ. Who are helpers? In this chapter we have discussed all about helpers only. So who are helpers? People in our neighborhood who help us in our day-to-day work are known as our helpers. Let me read it one more time closely. I'm bringing the camera closely to make you understand. People in our neighborhood आस पड़ोस में, who help us in our day-to-day work are known as our helpers. So the people who are in our neighborhood and who help us in our day-to-day work are known as our helpers. These are question 1 and question 2 which I have read for you. No worries, just do understand what I am telling you through these question answers. The later on I will be sharing you the PDF of these question answers so that you can note it down in your notebooks neatly and clearly. Now let me read question 3 for you. Why do we need helpers? As I told you in the chapter as well, why there is need to have helpers? Why can't we do everything by our own? Is it possible that we can do everything by our own? No, it is not possible. Then why do we need? We need helpers to make our life comfortable and easy. What is this word? Comfortable. COMFORTABLE. Later on this word is table and here is COM, come, FOR, for comfortable. Comfortable जिसमें हम कंफर्ट फील करते हैं, हम नॉर्मल फील करते हैं, जिसमें हमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है, हम रिलैक्स्ड हैं, हमारे को ईजी लगना चाहिए. तो ईजी एंड कंफर्टेबल. सो किस लिए चाहिए हमें हेल्पर्स? टू मेक आवर लाइफ ईजी एंड कंफर्टेबल. लेट्स रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 नाउ. नेम सम हेल्पर्स who entertain us. When we were discussing the chapter, I told you that there are few helpers who entertain us, who makes us smile, who makes us laugh, who entertain us in any of the way that we enjoy that time. Watching them, we enjoy that time basically. So who are those helpers? There are many. I have written 3 here. The first one is actors. The second one is singers. And the third one is dancers. Actors, singers, dancers. Okay, so now question number 5. How should we treat our helpers? This is something very important that we all should know. How should we treat our helpers? हमें उन्हें कैसे treat करना चाहिए? So this is very important to know. We must respect our helpers. What I have written here is, we must respect our helpers. This is all about question 1 to 5, which are the questions in your EVS book as well. And here is one more question, that is HOTS, HOTES, HOTS, that I would love to share with you and will let you know why do we need to do such type of questions as well. See, my dear students, whatever we learn in any of the new thing, whatever we read, whatever we learn, definitely we are learning something new. जो भी हम पढ़ते हैं कुछ ना कुछ तो नया सीखते ही हैं उसमें. तो हमने अपने हेल्पर्स के बारे में पढ़ा, सीखा कि बहुत सारे हेल्पर्स हैं, क्यों चाहिए हेल्पर्स. बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि हमने इस चैप्टर को रीड करने के बाद एक्चुअली में क्या चीज़ अच्छी लर्न की. what is the moral education, what is the moral value we have got from this chapter, and that is dignity of labor. Now what is this dignity of labor? Whatever the work we do, कुछ भी हम काम करते हैं, labor means work. Whatever the work we do, we should not be ashamed of that. हमें उसमें शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए. If I am working somewhere, मेरा क्लासरूम है, मेरा बेडरूम है, कुछ भी है, अगर वो गंदा है, if I am making it clean, I should be proud of. मुझे कोई ashamed नहीं फील होनी चाहिए, right? अगर टेबल है एक अपने प्लेस पर नहीं है और मुझे उसको उस प्लेस पर लाना है, तो डजंट मीन्स कि मैं किसी की वेट करूँगी उसको प्लेस पर लाकर देने के लिए. मैं खुद कर सकती हूँ ये काम. तो लेबर, डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर मीन्स, I have written here, what do you understand by the dignity of labor that we need to discuss. Dignity of labor means no work is big or small. That's what I'm telling you. कोई भी काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं है. No work is big or small. Every work is important in its own way. Every work is important in its own way. हर काम अपने वे में एक अपनी ही इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है, वो अपनी तरह से इम्पॉर्टेंट ही है. So this is the major thing we have learnt in this chapter, that every work is important in its own way and we should not be ashamed of anything. We should respect our helpers, we should treat them nicely. एंड कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं है. हमारा हेल्पिंग स्टाफ है, हमारे घर में आने वाले मेड्स हैं, कोई भी है, वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट देम, वी शुड show them care, and sometimes if they are in need we should help them. We should help them financially, we should help them. Suppose मान लीजिए मेरे घर पे मेड आ रही है कोई काम करने के लिए, and if she is not well, तो क्या मुझे उससे काम कराना चाहिए? No. पहले मुझे उसको मेडिसिन देनी चाहिए, अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो उसको डॉक्टर के पास भी लेके जाना चाहिए. मुझे उसकी तबीयत का भी वैसे ही ध्यान रखना चाहिए जैसे मैं अपने किसी फैमिली मेम्बर की तबीयत का ध्यान रखती हूँ. So this is called humanity, this is called love for each other, and this is called understanding each other. So through this chapter we have learned that we should respect our helpers. Helpers make our life easy and comfortable, and we should not be ashamed of any work. I hope you have learned this chapter well, and the question answers and their meanings, whatever the words we have used, their meanings are also clear to you. If you still find any doubt, just do let me know. Have a good day, students, and note down all these question answers in your EVS notebook very much beautifully and send me your work afterwards. Have a good day.